Dream coding dark mode Python loops. Items equals open bracket, quote, sleep, quote, comma space, quote, code quote, comma space, quote, dream quote, close bracket. For item, in items colon new line, 4 spaces, print, open parenthesis, item, close parenthesis. For index comma space item, in enumerate open parenthesis items, close parenthesis colon new line, 4 spaces print, open parenthesis, index, comma, space item, close parenthesis. For number in range, open parenthesis, 3 close parenthesis, colon new line, 4 spaces, print, open parenthesis. Number, close parentheses, total equals 0. For number in range, open parenthesis, 1, comma, space 4, close parenthesis, colon new line, 4 spaces total, plus equals number. Letters equals open bracket, close bracket. For char, in quote, moon quote, colon new line, 4 spaces letters, dot append. Open parenthesis, char, close parenthesis. For item, in items colon new line, 4 spaces. If item equals quote code quote colon new line, 8 spaces break. For item, in items colon new line, 4 spaces. If item equals quote sleep quote colon new line, 8 spaces, continue. Print open parenthesis, total close parenthesis. Print open parenthesis quote, loops resting quote, close parenthesis. Dream coding dark mode. Sweet dreams, and don't let the code bugs bite.